Hey, how's it going? My name's Alex McLeod, and in this video I am going to attempt to teach you how to practice Reiki in only 10 minutes. In the last video I reacted to someone who did this, tried to do this in their video, and I don't think they did a very good job. So in this video I'm going to try and hit all the major points and leave you with an exercise so that you can practice on your own. Reiki is an energy art from Japan. It was founded by Mikao Usui, and its name literally means universal life force energy. Essentially, in the practice of Reiki, you are first attuned by a teacher to the Reiki energy, and then energy will flow through you and out your hands. And in the 3 levels of traditional Reiki, you have level 1, where you're basically working on healing yourself. Level 2, where you start working on other people. And level 3, where you can begin to teach other people. You may have seen some advertisements for Reiki courses that cover all of Reiki 1 or Reiki 1, 2, and 3, or Reiki 1 and 2 all at the same time, but this was not how Usui Sensei taught originally. He did this over the course of many years, and what is now Reiki 1 probably would have taken a student over a year to complete, because it was more of a daily practice type teaching that Usui Sensei did, rather than the modern version where it's just a day-long course. And one way or the other, I don't know that one is better than the other. It's just that the day-long course tends to make students think that they're ready to practice on other people or teach way faster than they should be. But on the other hand, it also gives busy people a chance to go learn the skills and then practice on themselves and then eventually on others. Before I go any further, let's go ahead and get you started with Reiki. So this is going to be a practical exercise. Please sit upright in a chair with your arms and legs not crossed. Please close your eyes, gently open the mouth, and try to follow my directions as best you can. Don't worry if you can't. Don't intellectualize during this exercise, and just enjoy and focus on doing your best. So sit upright, relax, gently close the eyes, gently open the mouth, and then starting at the feet, tense the feet, hold the tension, tense, 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 and release. The calves and shins, tense, 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 and release. The thighs and hips, glutes, tense, 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 and release. The stomach, lower back, tense, 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 and release. The chest, upper back, and shoulders, tense, 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 and release. The upper arms, forearms, and hands, tense, 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 and release. The neck and jaw and face, tense, 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 and release. Now, allow the energy to enter into your flow down from the top of the head into the arms and out the palms and down from the top of the head, down the chest, the torso, the back, all the way down the legs and out the feet. Just sit and allow it to flow through you, in through the top of the head and flowing out the palms and the feet. Now, gently think of a spot around just below the navel. Rub your hands together to warm them up, and then use them to warm up your eyes and face. So what did you think? Leave us a comment in the comment section down below and tell us what you thought about the exercise. Okay, if you go and do that exercise a couple times a day, every day, you should be able to practice Reiki on your own for the rest of your life, if you decide to. And what we just did was a basic reiju or attunement on you, and they say they're permanent, but you know, basically all we did was open up your energy pathways and connect you up to Reiki itself. So the connection to Reiki will remain, and the energy pathways need to be used in order to be maintained or strengthened. So just keep practicing, and that's really all you need to do to begin practicing Reiki. If you'd like to start using it to work on yourself, you can do that practice, and then as the energy is flowing out your hands, use your hands to scan down your body very, very slowly. Don't linger too long in any particular place unless you happen to feel that you need to. But at first, just kind of go all the way down. Try to do your arms and legs as well. And this should cover you from most issues. At this stage, there's no reason for you to be learning symbols, and quite honestly, I don't believe that there's a need for the symbols anyway. But if you practice for a while, maybe you could learn and use the symbols after that, but it won't give you anything that you don't already have. If you'd like to watch my reaction to Learn Reiki in 10 minutes, you can click on it here. If you'd like to get more content like this, you can click on the symbol here, and up in this corner will be a video that you may find interesting. If you would like to learn more about meditation in general, you can join our free Intro to Meditation course at heartlotus.guru/meditation intro, link in the description down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next Friday.